Yo, what's going on, my people? It's your boy Mike back with your girl Betsy and your apprentice Bailey, which it looks like she needs something, so let me help this needy chick out. You guys already know the deal. She never misses a beat. She never misses a beat. But let's get into this video. So from you guys, from what you guys seen in the beginning, we got our Motodynamic headlight relays so we can get those integrated front headlight blinkers, and we got our new front stay. Wow, look at those brackets. Looks like we were missing one of these, huh? So we can pull off this nice beautiful front headlight and get rid of this old Jimmy Johnson front stay. Only thing is we will have to transfer over these, and that looks like about it. So yeah, we're gonna just dive right into this. We're gonna replace that front stay, and then we will get these headlights back installed, and we can start cleaning up some of this wiring. And I'll give you guys a little rundown. In this video, we're not gonna put this bike back together fully fairinged. We're gonna fix, like I said, we're gonna fix that front headlight, we're gonna fix that front stay, clean up the wiring, and then the next video we're gonna fully fairing this bike back up, throw the battery in, and give her a nice cold start, since she will have all her new mods. She'll have her new K&N air filter, she'll have her new gas cap, she'll have her new grips, her bar ends, her new headlights, her new front brake reservoir. So yeah, we're gonna do that all the next video. So this video, just so you guys have a little heads up, is pretty much gonna be us just dialing in this front end, getting everything hard mounted, getting all of our wires ran and located where they need to sit, and cleaning up this big mamma jamba of a mess of wires. So yeah, let's just get into this video. And of course, we gotta shout out Motodynamic for these beautiful headlights. So less of me talking, and let's just get into this Jimmy Cricket style. Look at that. That's what you call a naked bike. That's a naked bike. Alright, so you guys get to see that. We took our front dash off of the old front stay, which now that it's off, you guys can definitely see the damage. So you see those two inner brackets. Yes, I cut my thumb. Then you got this one outside headlight bracket. This one completely snapped off. Don't know what the heliante happened here. But we don't need to take that risk. You know, we don't want to ruin these beautiful headlights. So this Timmy is a Turner, and this is our new Timmy. So in reality, I really just have to transfer over these two washers onto the top. Then I have the side ones inside my bucket over there. So I just wanted to catch you guys up, and yeah, that's kind of where we're at. We're gonna just get right back into this and slap that new front stay in and the new headlight. guys, so we've got our front stay fully installed. As you guys just seen, we tightened down these 4 bolts. I put on these 2 Allens on each side, and we have our dash tightened and secured back in. I transferred over washers and whatever you want to call those. I transferred those over. So in theory now, guys, we can slap front headlights on and we can start cleaning up some of these wires, because man, it's just a madhouse. Plus we're adding more wires on each side, but we can finally hard mount these front headlights. And just remember, guys, at the end of this video, obviously we got the integrated blinkers in the headlights, so we have to test it out. So of course I brought my handy dandy battery and a Red Bull. Cheers. So yeah, let's get this front end done. I'm gonna get this done real quick for you guys, and then we can get into the fun and start seeing how these headlights are going to look. Alrighty guys, I did watch this online before I came out here, but we're gonna just we're gonna try and wing this real quick. I'm pretty sure this one's left for my steering. Okay guys, yeah, we'll play with this marker. So, in theory, so be good, good. I got to keep it. So this one exposed. You know, unplug these. Okay, and then this one's gonna take here. All right, guys. We are all set up. I went back, watched the video, made sure I had everything plugged in the right way. So wires are still a mess, don't worry about that. We got everything plugged in, and I just threw the battery in and connected it. So in theory, we should be Gucci now, guys. So I guess let's just see what happens. Boom, headlights on. And why is the sea light out? Great. One's there, one's out here. Great, great, just great. What do we got? Oh, but it works with the blinker. Are you kidding me right now? This is not cool. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna have to sit here and mess around with that, because I couldn't tell you a single thing. I plugged everything in exactly how the Motodynamic video told me to. And now we lost the sea lights. So yeah, that's just the way that life goes sometimes. Sometimes you know, I planned on getting this all installed very easily for you guys and giving you guys a nice something nice, but sadly we got a little setback. So yeah, we're just gonna have to deal with the punches that we got dealt. We're gonna end the video here because your boy literally knows nothing about wiring. So I'm gonna have to sit here and backtrack all of my work. I'm gonna have to disconnect everything, reconnect it all, see if that works. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to start testing some connections and making sure everything's good. But yeah, I ain't Mr. Wiring guy. This is my most hated thing. This is I don't know wiring whatsoever. I do not mess with wiring. So if I can't figure this out, then your boy's gonna have to I'm gonna have to either pay somebody, or I'm gonna have to reach out to Motodynamic and see what the heliante is going on here. Hopefully I don't have to get a new piece from Motodynamic, because then that's gonna set us back a whole nother week. And yeah, we did not plan on this happening right now. So this is definitely a Debbie, but it is what it is. What are you gonna do? So I'll be sitting here messing with this, guys, and sadly that's where we're going to leave this video off for now. So tune into the next video. I promise you guys it will definitely end better vibes. The next video. This was definitely a Debbie Downer. This definitely put me in the dumps a little bit here, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? So, hey guys, we're doing what we can, and she is slowly getting there. So, your girl Bailey is over there. The apprentice has left this job site, and your girl Betsy says, "See you later," and your boy Mike, a little couple tears. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hey guys, so I know we closed out the video, but I was really aggravated and upset after I tried to make this video for you guys, and we ran into that unexpected issue at the end. But let's just say we've figured some things out. I need keys to get the bike started. We figured some things out. The only problem is your boy Mike is not a wiring specialties god over here. I don't know nothing about electrical work. So I figured out the issue. I'm gonna have to see if any of my buddies can figure out how to fix it for me, and then we'll be able to continue moving forward with this. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update because I couldn't end the video like that. I was hurting and I needed to get this figured out. So with further ado, pretty much I'm gonna stick this in, bing bang boom. All right, so now we have power tour lights. If you guys don't remember, this seat light is working. This one currently is not. So I was sitting here messing with some wires, and I realized that this wire was just a bit exposed. I figured out that if I just played with that wire a hair, boom, seat light's back. If I let go, boom. So obviously we clearly have a bad connection in this. So I'm thinking I can pretty much just have my buddy refix that connection, or however that works. Like I said, I don't know wiring. I don't know how none of this crap works, but we figured out the source. I was a little upset there. I was a little aggravated because, you know, I wanted to get this all cleaned up. I planned on getting this front fairing on for the video too for you guys. I wanted to get that full front fairing installed so I can have all of those wires out of the way and really show you what this front end was gonna look like. But that's okay. We all run into issues here and there. It's just how we get through them. So, you know, instead of being aggravated and going inside and calling it quits, I hung outside for another hour, and I kind of just investigated as much as I could, and luckily we figured out what the issue was to that sea light not working. So there's always a bright side to the dark side. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of a positive outlook. And yeah, so luckily next video everything should still be as planned. Next video we should be able to get, I'm gonna probably clean up all this wiring off of video, and next video we'll be able to get our new front, or not our new, but we'll install our front fairing, get our side fairings, clean up all of our plastics, get all of our other plastics installed on the front end, and we can start buttoning this bike back up. So again, I'll close the video out for a second time, but I just wanted to bring you guys up and just show you guys that we did end up figuring out the problem. So I love every single one of you guys, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace out, and hold on, I'll see you weenies on the freaking grill. Peace.